Hi everybody, welcome to Todd Beauty's how-to video using the Lumos IPL hair removal system at home. Achieving smooth, hair-free skin should be convenient, fast, and pain-free. In this video, I'll go over skin prep and how to use Lumos IPL at home. First, you want to make sure that your skin and hair type are compatible with Lumos. There is a chart in the manual, and very dark skin and very light hair will not work. Shave the area you're intending to treat using the provided manual shaver and then dry it completely. Now that your skin is clean and dry, we do recommend waiting 2 hours after shaving to treat your skin with the Lumos IPL. Your Lumos device will come with all necessary accessories. Ensure you have your sunglasses to protect your eyes. Connect your device to the power adapter and then press the power button to turn on. The device has 9 intensity levels, so adjust your device based on your comfort level. We recommend starting at the lowest setting. The next thing you're going to want to do is turn on your device. You'll find 3 buttons: power, ice cooling, and flash. Start with the power button to turn on the device. Then press the ice cooling button to enhance comfort during your treatment. The device comes with manual flash mode for smaller areas and auto flash mode for larger areas. To switch to auto flash mode, long press the ice cooling button until the auto flash icon displays on the screen. Make sure it is in full contact with the skin. The device will not flash if the contact is poor. Use short, quick motions to move across the treatment area. The IPL will do its job with minimal pressure needed. While treating, you want to move in a pattern that'll treat the entire area without overlapping too much. This ensures that all hair will be treated evenly and effectively. Avoid flashing in the same area more than once. For sensitive areas like the bikini line and underarms, you may want to start at the lowest setting and work your way up gradually. The cooling feature will help soothe the skin during the process. Once you're done with your treatment, you'll feel the smooth skin immediately. For optimal results, use your device 3 times a week during the first month. Afterwards, switch to using it once every 2 weeks or monthly for maintenance touch-ups as needed. And finally, the Lumos IPL is designed for single-person use only. Clean the exit window with a soft, dry cloth after each use. Store your device in a dry, dust-free environment. Please reach out with any questions you may have. We can't wait for you to experience the incredible results with the Lumos IPL hair removal system.